Good morning, students. I am K. Kavita, staff of Divya Metric Higher Secondary School. Now we see the topic 6th lesson, first term, first unit, prose, sea turtles. About the sea turtles, now we see. Hi Madhi, I have something interesting to show you on the beach. Do you come? Let's go. Now we see the sea turtles prose 1. Sea turtles are 7 species. In Indian coastal region, they seen only in 5 species. There are lowerhead, oliveriddle, leatherback, hawkbill, the green sea turtles. These 5 sea turtles only found in Indian coastal place. Most of the sea turtles live in zoos or reptile parks, or also live entire life in a sea. There are 7 species: oliveriddle, hawkbill, green sea turtles, the leatherback, larger head. It's only seen in Indian coastal water. The oliveriddle is a very smallest species, 35 kg. The largest species is a leatherback, length 2.2 meters and weight 700 kg. It's also fully live in oceans. Now we see the true or false. Turtles are different form of tortoise. They have different species, like 7 species now we see. So we have to tick it is a true. First one is a true, and second, turtles are sea animals. Yes, it is also sea animal, so we have to true. 7 kinds of species in the world. Yes, it is a true. Sea turtles are very small. No, it is a very large, so it is a false. Turtles are come and ashore to lay the eggs. They have to come and ashore the eggs in land, so it is a true. And sea turtles are come to rest on the land. It is not, they didn't come to rest on land, they only lay the eggs in land, so it is a false. And oliveriddle are the only sea turtles seen on the Indian shore. Oliveriddle, they have to come Indian shores, the India seas, oceans, so it is a true. Marine it means found in the sea. The species is a group of animals which common features. Coastal, land by the edges of the sea. The species is they have two group of species animals. A group of animals are a group of each kinds of. For example, they have to see in the 7 sea turtles. No, it's considered as a species. Marine, it's related as a sea. Coastal areas, edge of the sea is considered as a coastal areas. Okay, let's see next sections. Already is how to once revise. 35 kg is the smallest species. Next, in Odisha, now we see in this Arabida, Odisha, there is a mass of nesting is going on. It should be shown in this picture. In this place, Arabida is a mass of nesting. We have to say in the Arabida, instead of this Odisha is a mass of nesting. In the section 2, the oliveriddle is come and show the eggs in night time. Between the month of January to March, easily they swim gracefully and effortlessly in her flippers, but they have to move the land more hauls itself laboriously. They have to cavity 45 centimeter in the depth of the land and ashore the 100 eggs. It is a table tennis ball size. After the ashore the eggs, they have to camouflagist are toasting the sand. It's go to incubate the eggs. After that, this track, in the sea turtles track, they have to follow that and taking the eggs for eating. and jackals, domestic dogs and pigs, they have to take the eggs and eat him for his own food. The eggs is escape. Those and all eggs escape from the predators. Within 45 to 60 days, they have to warm, incubate. After that, they come out the slash out the open and come the tiny egg tooth, and with the razor blade they come out to the sea, and also they emerge to the sea, emerge to the land after they come to the sea. With hurriedly dash to the sea, they have to come very quickly to sea. Now we see the glossary. Flippers, they have to easily, gracefully swim the sea. Predators, they have to kill the other animals. It's considered as a predator. Hals, now pull with force. They have to move the land with hals. Slash, cut. Laboriously, with great effort. They move the land in great effort. Snout is nose of a point nose of an animal's. Cavity, the hollow space. Emerge, come out from the land when they have to burn. Camouflage is disguised something or hide. You have to hide the eggs, no. So it is called a camouflage. Incubate, na hatch eggs using worm. They have to incubate the they have to warm the eggs for birth, giving the birth. The female Oliverids come on ashore at night to the lay eggs. Yes, it is true. The eggs of an Oliverid are in the shape and size of the cricket ball. No, it is a table tennis ball size, so it is put wrong. The riddle come to lay their eggs in the month of January. In between the January to March only they lay the eggs, so it is a false. Next, the turtles used to flippers and move and make a holes for their nest. Yes, it is true. They have to toasting the sand in her flippers. The hatchling used to tiny egg tooth to come out the egg cells. It is also this hatchling is through his tiny egg tooth he come out. And next, the biological truth they have to say, the embryonic stage it should become within 27 degree to 28 degree Celsius hatchling in male and 30 degree Celsius hatchling in female. If they have to incubate in this male or female hatchling, it should become 29 degree Celsius to 30 degree Celsius. It is a biological truth. Now we see the section 3. In this section 3, these sea turtles having 20 grams, small species, they contain the 20 grams, and after that they have to come or emerge out the land when they birth. It should be go to the sea. In the time, the crabs and birds they have to take for food, are eaten by the predators. Like the crabs and birds, they have to take and eat it. The scientific estimate is 1,000 hatchling they have to adult. After that adulting, they have to survive after the adult, and they have to swim in the ocean sea. The female hatchling is adult. After they come return when they have to born. In that place, they have to come and assure the eggs and lay the eggs for his own eggs. And next, how to manage, it is so mystery and fascinating for it. It's a very attracting for it because they didn't know the birthplace. How they find it is a question mark for in our students. And next, they have survival nature danger for millions of years. What are all the disaster or dangers they have to happen in the tortoise? Now we see. After the long decays mean it's a long period, 10 years. It's contained 10 years. Through his motorboat or any pollution problems or dumping plastics, through that the sea turtles have damaged or they have to accidentally trapped with this problems and all. After that problems they have to overcome and live their life. It is existed in year to come, so they have to continue our life through this problem and all overcome, and they have to lead our life. And next, Shekhar Datri, they wrote the popular articles on wildlife. Why about the wildlife they have to write more popular articles, and also they have to film making. Through this film making they have to award winning also. It's a very great fellow, Shekhar Datri. Okay students, I hope you have to understand this. Thank you for this.